We honor India's culinary legends, the Padma Shri honored chefs who brought new global recognition to our rich heritage. These masters elevated the legacy of Indian cuisine to new heights. First, Tarla Dalal. Floating cookbook pages surround her in a warm golden glow as gentle steam rises from classic dishes, a testament to her revolution in home cooking. We move to Imtiaz Qureshi. Cinematic smoke billows from a traditional dum-cooked handi, with glowing embers illuminating the man who revived ancient traditions. Next, Sanjeev Kapoor, surrounded by floating Indian spices in a modern luxury kitchen, his work turning the page for a new generation of chefs. Finally, Chef Damu, framed by banana leaves and traditional brass utensils, with aromatic steam carrying the very essence of South Indian culinary arts. Their dedication, innovation, and excellence are a profound inspiration for every hotel management student today. Awardee Institute of Hotel Management, where future successful chefs and hospitality professionals are prepared.